Punjab's dishes includes our favorite sarson da saag and makki di roti, dal makhni and amritsari kulcha. Dishes of Andhra Pradesh includes pulihora, bo batlu and pesarattu. The dishes of Arunachal Pradesh mainly consist rice, vegetables and fresh herbs. Some dishes are thukpa, chura sabzi and zan. The dishes of Goa includes petolio, Goan sambar and sanna. The dishes of Gujarat includes dal dhokli, undiyu and thepla. Maharashtra's dishes includes vada pav, puran poli and masala bhat. The food of Himachal Pradesh reflects its unique flavors. Some dishes are chana madra, siddu and turkiya bhat. The dishes of Bihar are litti chokha, thekua and dam aloo. The dishes of Karnataka have distinct flavor of spices. Some dishes are rava idli, udupi sambar and chiroti. The dishes of Uttar Pradesh includes malpua, kachori and biryani.